Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to USB boot your HP and how to enable the USB boot options. First of all, I'm going to click on F9 in order for us to go to the USB boot options on this laptop. And when you click on F9, this is what we get. Our laptop will give us what you see here. You don't have the USB boot options. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on F10 so that we go to the BIOS system. And when we reach the BIOS system, I want you to go and click the arrows to navigate to the system configurations. Then you go to boot options. So in boot options, I want you to go and legacy support. So when you go and reach on legacy support, I want you to enable this option. It has been disabled. Then click the arrow and accept yes. Then after, I want you to go and ahead and click F10 to save changes. Then after, the computer will restart. Then I want you to click on F9 as the computer restarts. F9. So when you double tap on F9, this is what we get. Our USB boot options is enabled, and I can now boot with any operating system. In my case, I have Windows 8.1. So this is how you enable USB boot options on your HP laptops. And in my case, I have the HP Pavilion i3. So this will load the USB files to the computer. Then the Windows will start booting. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, comment for more help, and click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload these videos. So here you'll just continue the Windows process. So I will stop here. Have a nice time. Goodbye.